He's on a mission to inspire children to learn more about Black history. Joining us this morning is Louis T. McLean, the founder and CEO of Melanin Origins. Thank you for being here with us, Louis.
Thank you, sir.
So tell us about Melanin Origins and what you all have going on.
Melanin Origins, we're a global publishing firm. We write children's books about African-American pioneers. So Booker T. Washington, Ida B. Wells, Madam C.J. Walker. We take our leaders, we transform them into children so they can be relatable to children, to the child audience, so they can tell their stories about triumph, great achievement, and success, and encourage kids that they can do those very same things.
Now, what inspired you to start this and start having those conversations with young kids?
You know, actually, it was the media. It was seeing African Americans portrayed in different ways and just knowing that we actually have done great things in the past, such as Booker T. Washington, who built the Tuskegee Institute, such as Ida B. Wells, who went across the nation over 100 years ago with great messages of hope. And so we just want children to know that they can do those exact same great things despite any challenges that they may face.
And you talked about teaching children to achieve greatness. Can you talk about the passion that you have behind that and how rewarding it is for you to see when they're receiving that message?
What I came to realize is that in life, we're all taught that belief in self is paramount, that instilling in children that they can achieve their goals, their dreams, despite any challenges that they may face, that's paramount. And that's very important when it comes to our children for Black History Month.
So tell us a little bit about your literature and the books that you have available for some of the schools in the area as well.
Oh yes, great. So we have all of our books. We actually have a curriculum. We have a first grade ELA Black History Month curriculum, which covers 6 weeks of instruction. Black History Month is 4 weeks.
And then you take that and you get that into the schools and they're able to react with that, right?
Yes indeed.
What has that process been like for you so far, and how are the kids receiving it?
Oh, the kids are great. We've had great reception in Fort Worth, Texas, such as Saintville Academy. We're actually charting a path to get our curriculum entered into Fort Worth ISD, Arlington ISD, and Houston ISD, and we've had a tremendous response. We recently released our curriculum for 99 cents. We deeply discounted and released it for 99 cents, and we've had a great response throughout the nation. We're getting requests in Hawaii, Connecticut, Los Angeles, Atlanta, and all over.
And we talked about it being Black History Month. What is a message that you have for people out there who are watching, just about making sure that we have those conversations with kids and that they know some of those important stories like what you talk about in your book?
Everyone needs to know that they can contribute to society. And when it comes to Black history is American history. America is a melting pot, and everyone has contributed, so Black people have contributed. And we've done great things, inspiring things.
And they just know they can dream big.
Oh, yes.
All right, thank you, Louis. And for more information about Melanin Origins and everything that they are working on, just go to our website. The address is fox4news.com. And just ahead on Good Day, presidential candidates are starting to flock to the delegate-rich Texas area before early voting starts. A look at the race for the White House coming up in the next half hour.